So after that, after we have got a new variable, so we need to test. We need to test if this data have outlier or not. So we can go to analyze descriptive statistic, select explore, and then we reset again. Then I am going to draw the listening skill to dependent list, and then another thing, factor list could be gender. Bring gender here, and the thing that I need is about no, not here. It's about outlier. So go to statistics, and I can see outlier here. Outlier here. So I need to check is the data have outlier or not. Does the data have outlier or not? So I continue and click OK, and the result show up like this. And then you can see this point, this is an outlier. This is an outlier. This number 20 is the case number. The case number. So the case number 20 is outlier. We go back to the data, and then you can see this case 20. And if you notice this listening skill equal to 1. Equal to 1. Mean why the answer is higher than 1. The answer is higher than 1. So the program say the case number 20 is the outlier. So we delete it.
So I can make the range of the score.
So we delete it. So now
the same as the previous one.
We don't have the case 20 is not 1 because we delete the previous case 20 already. So this is the case 21 move to case 20, and then we test outlier again. Go to descriptive and explore. We have got the same one, and then click OK. We have got the result now. Now this time it have no outlier anymore. This time have no outlier anymore. So then if the data is clear already, so the next thing is about normal distribution.
We know
the one assumption of t-test is the data come from the normal population. So the data come from the data distribution population is normal. We test from the sample. If the sample have normal distribution or not. So we can go to descriptive statistic again. Go to explore and select. This is the same, but the thing that we need is about not here. Now not this one. No outlier. We don't need outlier. So we go to this normality with test, and then you can see histogram at the same time. Descriptive, you can see histogram at the same time. That's okay. You can do not test the post. Okay, let's go. Let's see this again. We don't need outlier anymore, so this is okay. Okay, we can test outlier sometime. Then we click OK.
Oh, this is okay.
We have got
this is okay.
This output. The output that we have to see from the test of normality is this one.
Less than
this is the significant.
That acceptable.
Significant.
Less than
so
one is acceptable.
The data can have
this is one another way
two groups. The first one is female, the second is male. So the significance of the female is less than 0.05. That means that the statistic test for normality is not acceptable. That means the data is not normal. The second group, male group, the data, the significance is higher, 0.05. That means the data have normal distributed. This normal distribution have the distributed normal distributed data. So, however, we can look at the histogram. The histogram here, this is for female. Histogram, even the statistics say it's not significant, but when you can see the histogram is acceptable. So sometimes we can consider from the histogram, the picture, if the picture is acceptable or not. So in this case, male, the histogram is acceptable. Most of the data are in the middle and less in the left hand side and less in the right hand side. We can see normal QQ plot here. If the QQ plot, the dot is nearly the same with the line, that means this is normal distribution. So this is acceptable for normal distribution. This also male is acceptable because the dot is just along with the line. That's okay. So that's all. Make us believe that the data is normal distribution. The result. So we can see like this is a lot of things, skewness and courtesy. So this is the test of normality. As you can see, this is the reasoning skill and significant.